Exercise 3.6. We want to study 8 formulas in this exercise. Without this formula, we can't able to derive these sums on this exercise. The first formula is nothing but, we can say the formula is product to sum. Product to sum. Product to sum. What is the first formula? The first formula is going to be sin A cos B. Sin A cos B. Sin A cos B is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2, open the bracket, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is the first formula we need to study. Sin A cos B is equal to 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Second formula, cos A sin B. Cos A sin B. The same 1 by 2 sin A plus B, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Close the formula, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So the third formula, cos A cos B. The third formula is cos A cos B is equal to 1 by 2, open the bracket, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is the third formula. What is the fourth formula is going to be? Sin A sin B. The fourth formula is sin A sin B. This only differs slightly, 1 by 2, open the bracket, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This formula slightly differs because see, plus 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 here only minus. So the interaction and the change of place between minus B and plus B. So this is very important one. So this formula, without this 4 formula, we can't able to derive this exercise. So we need to study this exercise properly. I will say once again, sin A cos B, sin and cos 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Cos A cos B 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus A minus B. Cos A cos B 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Sin A sin B 1 by 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This is product to sum. Next I am going to show you sum to product. Sum to product. This formula is nothing but sin C plus D. First formula, sin C plus sin D. Sin C. See this addition. Sum to product. Sin C plus sin D is nothing but 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This is the first formula, sin C plus sin D. This is product to sum. This is sum to product. The next formula, sin C plus sin D. After sin C minus sin D, sin C minus sin D is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Next, the third formula, cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. The fourth formula is cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. See how it differs, D minus C. This one is differ, sin D minus C by 2. So these are the 4 formulas. Next one important one, this one you need to learn from the example sum itself. If you not learn from the example sum itself, now memorize this formula also. Before learning the formula, I will teach you the identity. What identity is important for one of the few sums. What is identity is nothing but identity. It's nothing but identity. Identity for first identity is nothing but, listen carefully, very important, cos 60 minus A. Cos A, cos 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 times of cos 3 times of A. 60 minus A, 60 plus A should be A. Next, second identity, tan 60 minus A, tan 60 plus A is equal to tan 3A. The simple identity formula we have learned now. Okay, after knowing this, I need to show you some formulas which you want to memorize. if you are going, if that you have derived in example 3.2, I told to derive the example sums, no. Therefore, in the example 3.29, you have derived few sums. That is nothing but sine 18 answer. Sine 18 degree. The sine 18 degree is nothing but square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 4. Square root of minus 1 divided by 4. The sine 18 we can write as cos 72 also. This is equal to cos 72. Because 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta, then if I cos theta, no, sine 18 is equal to cos 72. Both are equal. Next, second one. Cos 18. Cos 18 degree. Cos 18 degree is nothing but, what is the cos 18 degree? Nothing but 1 by 4 square root of 10 plus 2 into root 5. 10 plus 2 root 5. This will be equal to sine 72. Sine 72 degree. Because 18 plus 72 is 90. So it will move like this. Next one is third one. Cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree is equal to square root of 5 plus 1 by 4, which we can write as sine 54 degree. Therefore, sine 54 degree is nothing but root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is given in example 3.29. They derived in example 3.29. For deriving this exercise, we need these formulas. If you learn this formula, sum will be very, very easy. So you need to learn this formula. Then we move towards exercise 3.6 with the first sum having 5 subdivisions. So we move towards the exercise in the next video.